Welcome, amazing forex traders. Welcome to yet another episode of weekly chart breakdown. So today, guys, I'll be taking you guys through some couple of pairs that are going to be running in profit for the rest of this month. So I want you guys to stay tuned and let's go. We'll start the video. If you're about how I was able to plot my key levels like this, please go back to my previous videos and you see exactly how I plotted my key levels like this and my bias about this particular market I'm talking about. So this is ERUSD. This is a weekly chart and I'm so excited because last week CPI news dropped and we're finally able to get a direction for ERUSD, which is currently bearish. As you can see, we've broken structure, we've broken counter trend line, and we've broken this zone here. And this is a bearish engulfing candlestick, which is a very confirmative indicator that ERUSD is going to be going bearish in the coming week. So let's expect to see downtrends from ERUSD. Now that we have the confirmed direction of where ERUSD is going to, which is bearish, as you can see this big bearish engulfing candlestick close right about here. Next thing we are going to want to identify is when to enter the market. So this is a new week and I'm recording this video on a Sunday right before the market opens. So now we are going to go to a daily time frame and see what exactly daily time frame is saying. Don't get it confused. The daily time frame, the monthly time frame, and the weekly time frame that I'm using are all the same time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see this bearish movement. This is a zone here. So let me pull out my tool here so you will be able to. This is a zone here that the market broke through. This is a trend line. The market has had its. As you can see, it had its first touch of the trend line, had its second touch of the trend line. I was hoping this was going to be the third touch and push to the upside. We attempted to break it, couldn't break it, push back through the zone, tried to continue going higher, couldn't continue going higher, and this was when the CPI news dropped and everything just went bush. So now we have a confirmed direction of where ERUSD is going to. Although I have been really favoring the downside when it comes to ERUSD. And don't be confused, guys. Watch my previous video so you understand why I am favoring ERUSD to the downside. So now that we've gotten this confirmed direction that ERUSD is going to the downside, we need to start looking for pullbacks because we cannot sell now. This is a long sell that the market has gone through. So we need to allow the market take a break. The moment the market takes a break and we see a pullback, so I will let you guys know what the pullback might look like, although the market might not necessarily play out what I'm drawing right now, but a pullback like this is a break of trend line. Yeah, as you can see here, guys, this is the break of the trend line. So we need to see a pullback, a retest under this trend line or this zone. So once you can see a pullback on either of these two here, then we'll be able to sell to the downside, which is here. And why did I pick that place? When we check our weekly time frame, we can see breaking structure. This is 100% retracement, and according to the top down analysis, I always like to take my profit as 100% retracement. So that is all for ERUSD. You should expect a bearish movement for ERUSD, but first, before we jump into the trade, we need to first of all see a pullback on a daily time frame and on a 4-hour time frame. We see a pullback. Once you can see a pullback, guys, I feel like we should wait till Monday. Give the market till Monday to do whatever it wants to do. Then on Tuesday you can look for if there's any tradable opportunity in the market, because we need to see a pullback before you enter. It's very risky to just enter the market now, because this is a very big movement that the market has just done. So guys, that's all for ERUSD, and I'm going to be moving straight on to GBP/USD. GBP/USD is one of my most favorite pairs, and the reason why is because GBP/USD is easy to trade. I say this a lot and I'm going to say it again. GBP/USD, ERUSD, AUD/USD, you see those three pairs are easy to trade. Apart from them even looking alike, the charts look alike so much, Then we also have the dollar index with it. So we also know that whenever the dollar is doing well, all of these pairs are falling. Whenever the dollar is doing bad, all of these pairs are rising. So it's easier to trade these pairs. And I've got to realize that there are a lot more people who trade these pairs. And when you have a lot of people trading a particular pair, it means that that pair is much valid technical levels. So let's get to GBP USD. GBP USD, I put on my Fibonacci level on my last video from swing high here to swing low here, and we saw this consolidation that has been going on for weeks guys, weeks. I thought this was even going to be the break. Sorry guys, let me pull out my tool. I thought this was going to be the break in structure where okay, now we're going up, but no, we rather came down. So now for GBP USD, we've broken this Fibonacci level, which is exciting because now we have a new direction of where GBP USD is going to. But before we can trade GBP USD, we need to first of all see a retracement so we don't fall into the trap of something like this that the market did earlier when we all thought the market was going bullish and rather came back going bearish. So once we see a retracement and we see a movement towards the downside, then we can now enter a sell for GBP USD. Let's go to a daily time frame so we can see the charts more. Let's go to a daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame guys, and these are my key levels properly plotted. You don't have to do too much. You can just look at these key levels and plot these exact key levels on your chart. They will help and guide you through your trading. This is the consolidation that the market has been making for quite some time, and we broke out of the consolidation and this minor zone too. So apart from these major levels, we have minor levels in between them. So this minor level, the market has broken it. So I would like to see a retest. Once I can see a retest, then we will know that we are hitting here for GBP, which is 1.200883 for GBP. So now you heard it first on Learn First with KK, which is me. GBP USD is falling, ER USD is bearish. And let's go on to gold. Although I've not really been trading gold much because I couldn't get into the market early. I couldn't get to the market early enough for gold, and with the way gold is moving, my chart even looks so messed up because I haven't been here in a while. And the way gold is even looking, I haven't seen a major retracement, which I'm scared about because it looks gold is just going up and up. This is so much bullish movement for no major retracement to the downside. So I'm going to be waiting to see a major retracement to the downside for gold, then I can swing to the upside for gold. For right now, there's really nothing. I don't really trade gold now, and I'm waiting for a retracement before I enter that gold market. So we've successfully gone through GBP USD, EUR USD, and gold. So now for the next pair we're going to be trading, I'm just going to be generally talking about the US dollar index. And the reason why I'm going to be opening this chart is because I referred to it earlier where I said that in charts like EUR USD, GBP USD, AED USD, when you see a bearish movement on a dollar index chart, then you can definitely see a bullish movement on the AED USD, EUR USD, and GBP USD chart. And we can see here that dollar looks like it's going to 107, this high here. So this which kind of confirms to us that we can also still be anticipating sales to trade for GBP USD and EUR USD as we've analyzed currently. So that is all for that. Then BTC guys, as you can see, BTC right now is an all-time high, but it looks like it's going to. This is a bullish flag. But right now it's looking like it's broken below, and we are about to retest and continue to the downside. But I would look into the chart more once I see a proper retest this week. So that is all I have for you guys. So I want you guys to stay profitable, and also if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll reach out back to you. And if you also want to learn how to trade the way I do, there's a link in the description box. You can always find me there, and my social media handles are also posted in the description box. So I wish you guys a successful trading week ahead of you, and I hope to see you profitable. Goodbye.